Hi, my peeps in YouTube land. This is Material Girl 338. I am making zucchini. I normally make fried zucchini, and I fry it in olive oil, and I fry it over the stove, and then I serve it over linguine pasta. And I just use you just throw some garlic cloves in the oil while it's frying, and it's delicious. But it's messy, and your house smells of fried oil for the next 4 days. So then what I decided I was going to do was I was going to buy a little fryer, you know, those like French fry fryers, little baby ones, and I was going to do it outside. But I noticed that when I did it, the oil doesn't get hot enough and it doesn't make them crispy. These zucchini taste the best when they're almost burnt. And you really can't burn them, because the more they get burnt, the better they taste. So what I did was I washed and dried my zucchini. I cut them in discs, good maybe half an inch. I don't know, less than a half inch. And now I have some oil, olive oil, and I'm just brushing the oil on top of the zucchini, and I'm going to marinate them in the oven. And I put them in a 380 degree oven, and they get brown, and you don't stink up your house. And then I will show you in the next connected video to this what they look like. You can serve them over the pasta. The only thing you don't have is when you're frying them, when you fry them in the oil, I take a little bit of that oil and I sprinkle it over the pasta. So it's almost like in Italian, we say spaghetti alla olio, which means spaghetti with olive oil and garlic. Most of the people eat the garlic alla olio, but we also like this. So that oil that I used to take from the pan, I used to put into the macaroni so that this way it would, you know, soften the pasta up. The only thing I add to this is a little bit of pepper. Not too much. I say not too much, and meanwhile it's a lot. So, some salt. And I use pink Himalayan salt. I don't buy the white salt. The white salt has got chemicals in it. Stay away from it, guys. It's no good for you. A little bit of minced onion. And I have my own minced onion, but I didn't take it out right now. I have a big jar of it. I dehydrate it. I think I told you in one of my other videos. I get onions and I dehydrate them in my dehydrator. And then I put them in my food processor, and I grind them up to a powder. And then I put them in a mason jar with an oxygen absorber, and it lasts, and they're delicious. And this is garlic powder. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder on it. This is basil. Just a little bit, I mean, just a sprinkle. That's it. And oregano. And I don't really put a lot of oregano either, because oregano is used for only certain dishes, and certain dishes you don't do them. That's it. I put it in 380 degree preheated oven till they turn dark, more than gold, dark. And I'll show you when they come out. And then in the interim, what I do is I turn them, because they're very soft. At that point, they're so mushy that they, you know, they just fall apart. And that's it. So in this hand, I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil to the bottom of the parchment paper, because I don't want them to stick. The last time they stuck. Okay. And maybe a little sprinkle of parsley, fresh parsley. That's it. I normally don't add the parsley, but I'm just doing it because you guys are watching. Okay. All right. The next video, which is going to be connected to this video, they're going to be done. Okay. Thank you. Hi, everybody. This is Material Girl 338, otherwise known as Diane. Okay, this is the second part of the video of the zucchini. And as you see, they took a little while to come out, you know, in the oven. I didn't have the oven on high enough, but you could see that, well, these two pieces didn't come out. But over here you see, if I keep it on more, they'll get darker and darker. They still taste as good as when you fry them, but it's less mess. And then when I serve them over pasta with some sauce and sprinkle some cheese over the spaghetti. I usually use, you know, spaghetti. And it's like having fried eggplants. I don't know if you know about fried eggplants over pasta. That's another Sicilian dish, or it's another Italian dish. And this, I find that this is an easier way. Instead of frying up the whole house and dirtying up the stove and then cleaning up, and then everything stinks of the oil. So they come out really good like this. And I'm happy with the way they come out. I wish you guys would try it. Try it. It's delicious. They're sweet. They have like a nice flavor to them. Serve them over a plate of pasta and sprinkle a little bit of Pecorino Romano cheese and some sauce, and you're in heaven. Okay, if you have any comments, please post them. I'd like for you to subscribe to my channel. I always making new videos. And if you have any questions, just post them on the bottom. Thank you, guys.